Oh, hey guys, it's Gabby, and welcome back to another episode. And today we are playing Assassin. Oh, he's down. He's up there. Okay, so I'm playing with Queen Sporty again. Well, I died. Sad life. Sad life. Okay, so I am with. This is my best friend from school. I have multiple. This isn't just one. I have lots of different friends. Okay, what? What the hell? Okay, um, okay, went around on Subway, went around on Judge, 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 I can't say anything. Ugh! Like crazy little, okay, sketchy. Ooh, cool. There's events. I don't think I've ever played this. Why am I in first person? Why am I in first person? Oh, isn't this the bank? I love this one. Pretty cool. Okay. I don't know what this happened yesterday. It's so annoying. I don't know what happened. I think they tried to copy Murder Mystery a bit. Do you guys think that? I think it is like because they put vents now. There was never vents or anything. Dude, blonde always camp. Blonde? Man, I'm not blonde in real life, at least. I'm really blonde in Roblox. I have that song stuck in my head. Where is she? I can't hear. I took it. Where the hell is she? I want to kill her. Where is she? I can't find her. Okay, keep going. What? That's scared. That scared me. That queen. Oh, that life. So sad. Oh my god, she just came up behind me. I didn't even see her. That was scary. Okay, let's do estate. I like estate. It's a pretty fun one. Actually, no, I like paintball more. Why am I like I has the vid started? Yeah. Yeah. It started a long. It starts with a Your Mama intro. She's talking to me. Oh, she's talking to me. He's like, yeah, it has started. It starts with a Your Mama intro. Dude, no one asked. No one cares about you. It's all about me. Sure. Sure what? I'm like, these people are so confusing. That was my target. How did he know? His character is amazing. Like, look at this character. It's the best. His head keeps moving. Why you bullying me? Who? Wait, what? Who? Me? What did I do? Who, me? I'm so sad. I don't know what I did. Why are you bullying me? Oh, she's talking to him. I thought she was talking to me. I was gonna say like, what? I don't know what you're talking about. I was about to say that I'm really good at this parkour. No, I guess I'm not. Oh, look at them skills. Oh, damn. Beyblade. Why are you talking about them? What the? Strength F against rusty letter. Little moon. Special round. I want to go vote. Let's go vote. Or is the special round has... Yay, I want to do judgmental. Judgmental. No, not infection. Judginal. 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 Who is she talking to? I don't know what she's doing. She's just like saying weird words. I don't know. Oh, jeez, I'm dancing. Oh my god. Oh, her knife is so pretty. I want it. I want it. That scared me. Oh my. No, 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 no. No. My life is over. Why? Why does that have to happen in a video? Are you serious? Man, this game is ruined. Why do I have this stuck in my head so much? It's kind of funny now. It's getting boring. What do you have to say? Wah! Join me. Cries. 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 Same with mine. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Really, that like wastes a minute of my time. I don't have a lot of time, you know. I have this global stress squishy that I got from Phillip Island because I went to camp there. It was really fun. I loved the canoeing the best. And the maximum amount of dollars we were allowed to bring was 20. So yeah, I got headphones, which my little koala ones. I have like koalas on it. It's really cute. Ignore. I'm like joining a pro server. Do I look like a pro to you? I mean, my pet's pretty cool, you know. I did this bird thingy for that. Like this one is much cooler. It was just they're both the exact same, like thingy. Oh, she got killed straight away. Cause I'm a master. I'm a man. No, no, no. This guy has me. He has me. He has me. Oh, wrong player. Well, why was he trying to kill me? I'm like sucking my lip up. Mama is back. Don't worry, my child. No, 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 no! Whoa. Look at this. 32 with the one little strike. 3 strikes and 29. So sad. Why is my life like this? I should be deserve to be better than all of you. I should be the 16 to 48. 1648 person because I'm a strawberry. Um, I don't want you to win. Danny. Okay, Danny. Danny, his character. I don't know what's going on here. Do you guys know? He got tangled in the lights. He grew antlers. Was he raised by deers? I meant reindeers. Reindeers. He really likes Christmas. His burn legs. Did they get burnt down or something? I don't know. Child. Where did she disappear? Oh, okay, let's go on the roof because we can, because we can. Because we can, because we can, because we can. Yeah, this is a way to get up. There's a rope here. Jump onto the tree. Jump onto the roof. Jump onto the other tree. Oh yeah, and there is a card at the top that I'm willing to show you guys because I'm nice and you know. So the card is right. Oh, well, it was 3 knives with no space. It's not there, but at least I remember. Wait, can I jump that? Oh, no, I can only jump back. Look, 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 look. Let's put on my shoes. Putting on my shoes. Oh. Look at who I got. It's my best friend, and I'm gonna kill her. I'll protect my only child. I'm little boy. No! No! Why pink here? Other people blue, orange. It's okay. I got killed. I forgot how to spell killed. Killed after I killed you. Or did he kill you? Or did he? Because he has the purple thingy. And Papa is with you. What? Who are you talking to? I really don't know. Because I don't know. Who are you? Oh my God. Good mother. Who are you talking to? Okay. This kind of. Oh, yeah, I have an exotic pet. My pet is beautiful. This is the best sword I have. It's a legend. I want something better. My pets are really boring pets. I don't want a rare pet. I don't want it. Is that all something what I was? Something tags. I don't know what she's talking about. But yeah. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and subscribe to my channel, please. That will be awesome, you know. Like I'll get the most subscribed people. Does that even make sense? Wait, why am I trying to chase them? I don't even have them. Let's go kill Danny. She has me. I'm guessing. Okay, well, I guessed wrong. That was a good guess. Man, don't come kill me. Do. What? My knife keeps going away. My knife keeps going away from me. My knife keeps going away. Like, my knife is going. That's just why your mama. The hell is with your mama? Like, seriously. I don't wanna. No one wants to talk about that anymore. Yeah, targeted. No, it's just us two, I think. I'm not quite sure. Final target revealed. If I could find, but I can't. Just hope he is AFK. Gabby, why did you have to send me a tray when I was in a fight? That's my name. My BB. That's my name. And that's actually spelled. Usually people, my teacher spelled it Gabi. And people say it is Giby, G-A-B-B-Y. And G-A-B-B-Y. No! Once I tried doing this like 20 times when I was really bad at the parkour, and I rage quitted after that. Like, I left the game. Sad life. Where is the judge note? Judge note. Right there. Whoa, that was very easy. Where is he? Oh, was it this guy? He's very easy. I won before. Like, where was he? I don't know. I wasn't even looking.